Last year, a time like this, I was everywhere applying for scholarships. Today, I have already finished my first semester in one of the top universities here in Indonesia. Next year, it could be you. So if you're looking for a scholarship in 2024, this is your video. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe because I will be keeping you posted on fully funded scholarships, requirements, and how to make sure you are selected in this scholarship. So today I will be talking about KNB Scholarship. What is KNB Scholarship all about? Who is it for? How you can apply? What are the requirements? And so let's get started. Number one, now this is a scholarship for developing countries. So if you're from Ghana, Kenya, Somalia, Uganda, Tanzania, Malawi, Zambia, Gambia, etc., etc., including also countries such as Pakistan, Palestine, India, please do apply for this scholarship. It's pretty easy to get it. And two, it's fully funded. And when I say fully funded, I mean fully funded. Your round trip air ticket is catered for, your monthly stipend is catered for, your health insurance is catered for, your books and research allowance is catered for, your publishing money is also catered for. This is the best part. The opportunity just opened recently, this January. It's actually open now, so don't miss on this opportunity. It will close in February 23rd, so don't waste any more time. I'm gonna move to the next step, which is showing you how to apply. But first, let's talk about who can apply. Bachelor students, master students, and doctoral students. Now, for bachelor students, you need to be 21 years and below. For master students, you need to be 35 years and below. And for doctoral, you need to be 40 years and below. 222 opportunities are open, and you could be among the number. First step first, go to the KNB Scholarship website. The link is down here below. You can also just click it from the description box below. So the first thing you want to do when you get to this website, download the scholarship offer. You will need this offer letter to attach it in when you start the application process. Now let's get to the documents and the requirements. First things first, you're definitely going to need a passport. Please get a passport. Get yourself a passport. I think if you don't have a passport in your country, like in Kenya, you're not going to get this scholarship now because it takes months to actually get a passport. But if you already have a passport, apply for this opportunity. Number two, you're gonna need a recommendation letter from the Indonesian embassy in your country or the consulate. Now, don't stress so much about this. They have provided you with all the contacts of the Indonesian embassy in your country on this website. So just go there, click your country, and the details and the contacts of your consulate, your embassy will appear. Reach out to them as quickly as now and ask for that recommendation letter. You need your English proficiency test, but if you're coming from English-speaking countries like Kenya and some others, then you really don't need to show this particular certificate. All you need to show is the transcripts from your previous studies that do show that you actually did an English exam or an English course. So attach your transcript that shows the English course or the English subject that you took. You're gonna need a recommendation letter from your employer, your current or previous employer. You're gonna need a recommendation from your previous school, so get that quickly. Now, if you already have it, the better. Then you will definitely need all your certificates and transcripts. So basically, if you're applying for bachelor's, you will need your high school certificates and transcripts. If you're applying for master's, you will need certificate for degree, bachelor's degree, and transcripts for bachelor's degree. If you're applying for doctoral, the same case. And you will need a little more of documents such as recommendation from your supervisor and the proposal. But this and more details about doctoral, you can also find them on the same link. Again, you will need, of course, a motivation statement or a motivation letter. And I say this is pretty easy. State your enthusiasm for education. Why are you excited about studies? Why is education so important to you? Number two, don't forget to say, once you get this degree, what are you going to help your country with? What will you do with the knowledge that you acquire? Put that in the motivation letter. It's important to note that if you're applying for this scholarship, you will not get into your course immediately, because your first year will be all about studying the language, Indonesian language, and exploring the culture. Again, I want to make sure you understand this. The application is absolutely free. There are no charges to this application. You do not need extra money for this application. If you're doing it by yourself, just go to the website. There is a link right there to start the process. Exciting, right? If you're excited about this and such opportunities, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will be keeping you updated on such and more scholarship opportunities. Again, I know there are people who are busy and they don't have time to do these applications. So if you need help in the application, or you need me to help you do the application for you, then write me an email on the email that I have left below, and I will do that. That's it for today, guys. All the best in your KNB scholarship application. If you're actually going to apply for this scholarship, let me know in the comment section below. And when you finally do get the opportunity, come back to this video and let me know that you actually got it. Until the next video, bye.